How do I correctly clean up a Python object? _del_self, above fails with an attribute error exception. I understand Python doesn't guarantee the existence of global variables, member data in this context. When _del_ is invoked. If that is the case and this is the reason for the exception, how do I make sure the object destructs properly?
I'd recommend using Pythons with statement for managing resources that need to be cleaned up. The problem with using an explicit close statement is that you have to worry about people forgetting to call it at all or forgetting to place it in a finally block to prevent a resource leak when an exception occurs. To use the with statement, create a class with the following methods. In your example above, you'd use Then, when someone wanted to use your class, they'd do the following. The variable package_obj will be an instance of type package. It's the value returned by the _enter_ method. Its _exit_ method will automatically be called, regardless of whether or not an exception occurs. You could even take this approach a step further. In the example above, someone could still instantiate package using its constructor without using the with clause. You don't want that to happen. You can fix this by creating a package resource class that defines the _enter_ and _exit_ methods. Then, the package class would be defined strictly inside the _enter_ method and returned. That way, the caller never could instantiate the package class without using a with statement. You'd use this as follows.
The standard way is to use a texit.register. But you should keep in mind that this will persist all created instances of package until Python is terminated. Demo using the code above saved as package.py.
A better alternative is to use weakref.finalize. See the examples at finalizer objects and comparing finalizers with _del_ methods.
As an appendix to Clint's answer, you can simplify package resource using contextlib.contextmanager. Alternatively, though probably not as Pythonic, you can override package._new_. And simply use with package ... as package. To get things shorter, name your cleanup function close and use contextlib.closing, in which case you can either use the unmodified package class via with contextlib.closing package ... or override its _new_ to the simpler. And this constructor is inherited, so you can simply inherit, for example.
Here is a minimal working skeleton. Important, return self. If you're like me, and overlook the return self part of Clint Miller's correct answer, you will be staring at this nonsense.
Hope it helps the next person.
If you want to support the channel,